So on the left-hand side, we've got a cube, and on the right-hand side, we've got the net of the cube. And we're only shown two of the faces. We're told that the top face is a 6, and one of these other faces is a 3. What's the missing face? Well, you've got to try and build this cube, this net, in your head, and I suppose that's quite a tricky thing to do, but if you imagine there's a little ant that's walking around this cube here, I'm going to make him make that little journey there, and I'm going to try and fold up this net in my head. Now, the first thing that you'll do is, if you've ever made the net of a cube, and I recommend that you do, is these two sides here, this one, and well, those two edges will come together to form a single edge. They'll come together to form this edge here. And what else happens? Well, then it should be fairly easy to see that if we go from the 6 to the 3, and then from the ant's perspective take a right turn, we will have gone along here on the net and then down here, and we'll then take a right turn onto the 2. It can get more difficult than that, but that's the general idea. What other edges join up? Well, actually, these are fairly easy to see. The green one is the edge between the 2 and the 6, and we've got a purple one here. But what are these other edges? Well, let's just look at one more. Let's consider where this one will go here. The 1 and the 4 will match up like this. So in fact, the next face along is this one here. So in fact, these two will also join up, which is quite interesting and a bit weird to think about. And of course, there's this one which matches up with this one on the other side. And I suppose that's one way of doing it.